One of 2017's unexpected success stories was the BlackBerry Key 1, an Android phone with a physical keyboard. TechCrunch gave it a score of 8.4 out of 10. And stores quickly sold out of the device when it was released. Since then, we saw the BlackBerry Key 1 Black Edition and leaked renders of something called the BlackBerry Athena. Now we have some images that appear to be of a BlackBerry Key 2 that surfaced on Chinese microblogging site Weibo, via Android Central. Is the Athena actually the Key 2? As one would expect, the BlackBerry Key 2 has a physical keyboard, just like its predecessor. The keyboard is a little different with a matte finish and a new button that does something. The spacebar still doubles as a fingerprint sensor, but the keys themselves appear to be a bit larger and have a flatter look. Of course, this unit clearly is labeled as "not for sale" at the bottom, which could mean that it's merely a prototype and that some or none of the design features we see will make it to the final product. Another photo was shared to Weibo, via Gizmo China. That appears to be a shot taken by the BlackBerry Key 2, complete with a watermark of the device's logo. If we're to believe that the watermark is the real logo for the device, it looks like the BlackBerry Key 2 will use the numeral 2, rather than spell out the word like the BlackBerry Key 1.